Mozello website builder complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website with Mozello.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, of course, you need to create an account or log into your account on Mozello.com. As you can see, I already did it, and now I can create my website, but firstly I need to uh, choose what is the website about. Is it just website or online store or blog website? So just for this video, let's choose just website. And now I need to make this captcha. 1 second. And now I can create website title or brand name. So basically the name of your business. You can put it here. For example, uh, I'm just gonna name it Let's Website and accept terms. Done. Now I need to pick a template to start with, and of course I can change anything at any time. Everything is customizable. Later I can even change the template that I chose before. So here you can choose online store templates. Here you can choose website templates, and for example, you are a lawyer and this template is perfect. Let's choose this. And now you're able to customize this template. So for example, of course, you can select this text, delete this text, write whatever you want. For example, hello, my name and I'm best lawyer. And I can change the size of this text, text type, styles, whatever I want. No, I want it bigger. So let's do like this, and heading, for example, this one. And I can attach this text to any link, by the way, and clear formatting, and put HTML right here. So also I can edit these buttons, change styles, whatever, link them, of course. And basically, guys, this is first section. No, actually, this is first section's header, and here is like welcome section. And I can, of course, change the background right here. Just put this button, change image, and let's, for example, choose any image that I have on my PC. For example, no loading file, please wait. Okay, nice. And of course you can move, for example, this section down or move it up, or you can drag image or focus point like this, and you can customize it, content color, so basically the color of text, and background colors, section height, content, fixed background, background image again, and change layout, very useful function right here. Change content block, for example, you want to move this text, you want to move it into center, and these buttons, so basically you need to change layout, for example right here, or you can change another one, maybe like this, whatever you want. Also, guys, you can add new content blocks, new sections, For example, you want to have image section or video or products or gallery or text section, whatever you want. For example, or product section, you can edit right here. Also work with this section, change this text, add an image, and maybe add a background, or just edit these colors because white is too boring. You can delete this section right here. Here you can work with pages, you can add or remove pages. Here is the button for adding, and you can move them, you can work with them. And also here you can work with design, change colors, font theme, design options, some extras, some settings, preview. You can preview your future website, pretending you're a user, and click some buttons like check them if them working or not. And these buttons, I didn't work with them, I didn't attach them, so they are not active right now. Okay, let's back to editor. Also, you can work with this header, work with the view of selected menu items. You can change the size, and you can add your own logo of your business right here. Also, guys, if you want to have some blog section or news section in your website, you definitely need to use this button, and here you can create a new post. And when you're done editing your website, you can publish it very easy. I just click this button and my website is now live, so very easy, just by one click. My website address is Let's website, mozellosite.com. If you don't want to have this ads right here, right in your domain, so you can remove Mozilla ads, but for this you need to upgrade to premium account to use this feature. So you can upgrade to premium, premium blue plus. So basically, guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon.